Welcome back. Today's session is all about a broken bar, gentler cleaning a broken bar with whispered triggers, a broken bar just for you. So take a deep breath, a broken bar, and relax. A broken bar, you're safe here. A broken bar and everything around you. A broken bar is calm, a broken bar and peaceful. Let's begin with a light inspection. A broken bar, I'm just going to look inside your ear. A broken bar slowly, a broken bar carefully. A broken bar, you might feel a soft tickly broken bar as I brush around the outer edge. A broken bar, broken bar, broken bar. It's okay, I'm a broken bar. Tap top, a broken bar, scratch scratch, a broken bar. Can you hear that? That's me, broken bar, cleaning away any stress. A broken bar, any tension. A broken bar, whisper whisper, a broken bar. Now I'm going to use this tiny tool. A broken bar, very gently. Broken bar, very precise. A broken bar, just a little scraping. A broken bar, scrapey. A broken bar, scrapey. A broken bar, scrapey. A broken bar, doesn't that feel nice? Now a little brushing. A broken bar, soft. A broken bar, soft. A broken bar, brushing sounds. A broken bar, flick flick. A broken bar, swish swish. A broken bar, you're doing amazing. Just keep breathing. A broken bar, nice and slow. A broken bar. Alright, a broken bar, both ears are nice and clean now. You did great. I hope you feel lighter. A broken bar, calmer. A broken bar and ready for a deep rest. Thank you for letting me take care of you today. Sweet dreams. A broken bar.